Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is going to be another new Dollar Tree haul, and it's just basic stuff. And I did found 2 other items. So let's get started. I ended up buying 2 more mops. You got to be careful with these sometimes. Sometimes they last me a long time. They usually do. And then there's times that they will snap off. So be careful when you wring them out. Do not overdo it or be too strong with it, because sometimes they do snap off right here at the base. Yesterday I was mopping with the other mop and it just broke. So I ended up buying 2 more. These are just temporary. They're not like my permanent mops or anything, but these do work. So I got 2 of those. And then I bought 6 bottles of the Diet Pepsis. So I got Diet Pepsis. So I got 6 bottles. And then I picked up one of these mouthwash for my son. I figured I'll give him one of these, see how this works. This is the Oral Health Rinse. So I got that one. I picked that up for him. I think it's a peppermint or something like that. And then he spotted more of these lighted up LED chargers. We have a whole bunch of these. They do work. They light up at the tip and they light up at the base. And it's really nice. Sometimes at night when I'm charging my phone, it looks like a little night light. So whatever color it shows, that's what color it usually lights up. So this is a blue one, and then this is a pink one. I have a green one upstairs or something like that. I have different colors. I never seen a purple or a white or anything like that. So my son just grabbed these 2. I got them. And then I picked up this movie. It's called Derby Dogs. And it's making a funny face like my dog. I don't know. It just looked at like a funny comedy or something with the dog. I don't know. I decided to pick that up this time. I've seen it before. I just never bother with it. And then I picked up this cute little movie. I think it's called Piggy. What's it? No, Ploey or something like that. It looks like an L. Ploey or Piggy, something like that. I don't know. It just looked cute. Looks like it's animated, cute little movie. And then I found a whole bunch of new books. They have a whole bunch of new books. I didn't grab all of them, but I did pick up this Keto Cooking and Instant Pot. And this is what you could do with an Instant Pot. But you don't really have to do Instant Pot. You could do it in anything. But they have a lot of good, delicious keto recipes. And I mainly do keto with my diet, and then sometimes I don't. So I want to get more back into the keto and figure out more other alternative recipes and different things. Then I picked up this book here. It's called Salt. They also have a baking soda one, but I had that already. This one's called Salt, and it has all different tips and tricks, household stuff, food, whatever. All different types of ideas what to do with salt. So I got this book here. It's called Salt. And then I picked up this nice book. See what it's called. Barrett Boston, a cookbook, something like that. And it has all kinds of illustrations, good recipes, different ideas, different things you can mix up with your normal cooking. It's always good to learn other things or other flavors or different things to try. So I picked up that book. And then the last 6 things I picked up was 2 combination pizzas. They're microwavable. Then I got 2 3-meat pizzas. And then I got 2 more pepperonis. They come in different colors. So that's it, guys. That's all I picked up at Dollar Tree. It's raining, like raining cats and dogs. I didn't really feel like being out there. It was kind of slow at the store. Nothing going on. So anyway, thanks for watching this haul. Stay tuned for more videos. I will be doing more soon again. Have a good day and be safe. And I will talk to you guys later on. Bye-bye.